Pink Himalayan salt is more than 250 million years old and is hand-mined from the foothills of the Himalayas. It is considered to be the purest salt on Earth and has superior health benefits, especially when compared to table salt. Unlike table salt, pink Himalayan salt contains no contaminants or pollutants and is still in its native form. Table salt is composed of chemically cleaned sodium chloride with added iodine and anti-caking agents, which are anything but good for your health. Here are the top 10 health benefits of making the switch to pink Himalayan salt today. 1. Naturally occurring iodine. Himalayan salt is 100% natural and contains the perfect balance of iodine, unlike table salt. Iodine is added to table salt to prevent thyroid dysfunction, but it comes at the price of a very unnatural and unhealthy product. By switching to Himalayan sea salt, you will have the perfect dose of iodine to prevent any iodine-deficient diseases, such as a sluggish thyroid, goiter and cretinism. 2. Improved fluid balance. Salt contains sodium, which holds up to 160 times its weight in water. This is the reason that the World Health Organization recommends limiting salt intake to 2,000 milligrams, or no more than 1 teaspoon per day in order to prevent unnecessary fluid retention and inflammation. Himalayan sea salt, however, contains up to 82% less sodium than regular table salt, as well as being in its pure, crystal form without any unnatural additives. By switching to Himalayan salt, you will dramatically improve the fluid balance in your body, helping to eliminate excess sodium, toxins and waste while giving your body a boost in mineral intake. 3. Naturally antibacterial and antimicrobial. Himalayan salt is excellent for strengthening your immune system as it is naturally antibacterial and antimicrobial, which helps to eliminate harmful bacteria and germs. Many travelers have visited Himalayan salt mines to take deep breaths of salty air, which helps to clear sinuses, reduce allergies and improve the symptoms of asthma. Modern salt therapy still uses Himalayan salt and natural sea salt to restore balance and rejuvenate the entire body. 4. Reduces blood pressure. Excess sodium has been proven to cause an increase in blood pressure and over prolonged periods can lead to health-threatening hypertension. Regular table salt contains 2,300 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon, whereas Himalayan salt contains only 420 milligrams. Making the switch will have an immediate impact on blood pressure, helping to lower it to a healthy level. 5. Excellent for red blood cells. The natural pink and red color of Himalayan salt suggests that it is loaded with iron, and studies have proven it to be so. Iron increases red blood cell count in the body, which helps to improve circulation and oxygen transportation. Improved blood flow and more oxygen means a sharper mind, a stronger heart and happy, healthy organs. 6. Reduces muscle cramps. Himalayan salt is rich in magnesium, a mineral that has been proven to reduce muscle cramps. The pure and natural salt crystals are easily absorbed by the body and offer a rich dose of minerals that detoxify and rejuvenate tired, stiff and stressed muscles. Adding a pinch of it to drinking water, sprinkling it on food or having a Himalayan salt bath have all proven to be an effective soother for sore muscles. 7. Improves digestion right from the start. Himalayan sea salt is a product that your body immediately recognizes, unlike unnatural table salt which needs to be dealt with and worked through. Research has shown that Himalayan salt stimulates the salivary glands and digestive enzymes, which is important for the proper functioning of the digestive system. This helps to improve the pH balance in the stomach and the rate at which food is broken down, leading to improved overall health and better nutrient absorption. 8. Helps to reduce acid reflux, heartburn. Acid reflux, heartburn is caused by an excess acidity, which is something that Himalayan salt can soothe immediately. Its rich mineral content makes it a highly alkalizing substance, especially when combined with a bit of mineral water. Make a solution with 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and 1 glass of warm water to restore alkalinity and maintain a healthy pH balance, especially after a meal. 9. Strengthens your entire body. The high dose of naturally occurring minerals that pink Himalayan salt contains helps to strengthen tissues, cells and bones throughout your body. The list includes calcium, magnesium, potassium and zinc, which all help to restore health and vitality, boosting the health of every living cell in your body. 10. Helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Table salt contains anti-caking agents, which prevents the salt from being properly dissolved by the body and ends up being absorbed by organs and tissues. This is linked to an increase in cellulite and unnatural fluid retention, something that Himalayan sea salt does not do. Himalayan sea salt is easily dissolved, properly absorbed and used by the body, helping to eliminate the stored toxins and waste in skin tissue which usually appears as cellulite. By making the switch to pink Himalayan salt, you'll have a leaner, healthier composition and a boost in confidence.